What's up everyone? Welcome to LahvUs and welcome to Fat Bomb Friday. Today's recipe is a review of a paleo butter pecan keto fat bomb by Jean Choi at whatgreatgrandma8.com. So Rebecca's gonna show you how to make it over at the stovetop.
Okay guys, so our first step, take a half cup of pecans and put them in a pan on medium heat. So you want to keep stirring them until they get a little darker, and then you'll transfer them to a plate. Now we're going to chop up our pecans into large chunks. Now that we have our pecans all chopped up, we're going to take a small saucepan, heat it up to about medium heat, add in a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, a half cup of coconut butter, and a 1/4 cup of ghee. Once that's all melted, we're going to take a half teaspoon of vanilla and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We're not trying to cook the mixture, so if you hear it boiling, just turn the stovetop off. Now we're just going to stir in our 7 drops of stevia, take our chopped pecans and put them into the molds, and then top it off with our coconut mixture.
What we got here, Rebecca?
So we have some paleo butter pecan keto fat bombs. How adorable are these things?
Wow.
I think this is the most delicate fat bomb I've ever eaten. I'm gonna taste the ghee. Oh my!
That's really good.
Oh.
This is the first fat bomb that isn't like chocolate or peanut butter.
This is, the ghee is like a creamy sweet without having to add artificial sweetener into it. So if you were gonna take a picture on Pinterest, you would have these sitting by you with your keto cup of hot chocolate and your little fuzzy socks and a book. Like,
Okay.
that's how I would describe this moment right now. Like,
It's almost hard to describe because I haven't tasted a fat bomb that's like this.
this is an original.
Taste, what do you give it?
I give it a 10.
A 10?
I give it a 10 because I love the creaminess with the toasted flavor. It just blends so well.
Yeah. So I give it an 8 for taste. For texture, I love fat bombs with nuts in them. It's crunchy, it's smooth at the same time, right?
Yeah. For texture, I think I would give it an 8.
I'd give it a 10. I like it. For the recipe was perfect. 10 out of 10.
Jean Choi from whatgreatgrandma8.com. Thank you so much for these. They were delicious.
For something different, right?
Yeah, legit. I've never tried anything like that.
It was great. So thank you very much. Definitely just remember we'll have her linked in the description, so check her out, see if you like any of her other recipes. Also comment, like, and subscribe on this video. Let us know if there's any recipes you want us to try out for you.
And
LahvUs!